girl, you better let me know, because I don't want to be putting something in my hair and it does not make my hair grow. I'm wasting my time. Let me know. Hello Beauty Tribe, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about rice water and does it really make your hair grow? If you want to know more, keep watching. First things first, what is rice water? Well, rice water is fermented water straight from rice. Now what's fermentation, you may ask? Well, fermentation is a carbohydrate such as sugar that turns into acid or alcohol. Well, can rice water be good for you? Yes, it can. It contains vitamin B, which help produce black pigment. Rice contains protein, so fermentation of rice will make the protein even more rich. In addition to protein that the rice water comes with, it also has amino acids, vitamin E, and patira. Patira basically helps with the regeneration of your hair cells. The fermentation process helps restore hair's pH balance and also promote hair growth. Now in my next video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make your own fermented rice water. So if you haven't already, click that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and also follow me on Instagram at naturally_izzy. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.